Thấy cái tài chậu dưới hôi là len à. Tìm mồi hôi.去咗邊度我去？我有冇知嘅咩？龍。你食？
牛？
刚才不跑来看我们家。
这么来了。
来，我们去找他。
让他姐姐，我还没有练。
我嚟嘅呢個。
到啊！
啊？做咩？木瓜咩？啊，食木瓜啦。
啊？
冇大啊！你哋咩？你哋冇大啊？
幾多？
哦，大咗嗰啲，俾嗰對嗰度。嗰度比較大。你 zoom 啊，zoom 咪影啊。zoom 唔到啊我。放，係 zoom 到。係。
이거 아까 봤던 공작새잖아. 여기 검정새도 있다, 있나? 거기 뒤에? 그래. 거기 좀 들어라.
白手又會開嘅喎。呢個咪開嘅咩？哇，睇靚喎！睇你講唔好吉張喎，我瞓覺啊！誒，入邊都有啊，嗱啲係嘛？係咪？啊，呢度影相啊，人幫你影相。
快حاجة
Fish, coffee food.冇媽咪係影。哦，啦，推。 冇開眼㗎，有喎。呢個夜晚。
Wow, so set. Kita sini okey ke? Oh, come on. What's up with that? Ready come here. River City. Cheating kita kan. Ready go ke? Oh, tak apa. Let me ask that lah. Okay, if you guys see that river is cheating, please put up your hand. Come on, are you sure? Okay. If you guys see that river is technically smart, put up your hand. Okay. Tak apa. Anyway, we have to ring and mama. Well done. Dua-duanya hebat dan amazing, okay? So, right now kita relax sekejap bagi ambil nafas sikit. Okay, sekarang ya, for the next performance ya, I would like to welcome Tommy ya, our blue and gold mako. Kita ada satu lagi ya, burung blue and gold. 3 ekor setakat ni, baik. Untuk Tommy ya, we have 3 empty balls. 1, 2, 3 and the wooden dice. Ya, 3 mangkuk kosong dan juga dadu. Okay, so we are going to hide the dice inside one of the ball and Tommy will find the dice, okay? Okay, so let us see whether Tommy can find the dice or not. Dia akan cari dadu tersebut. So are you ready Tommy? Come on, focus. For your information, Tommy is still young blue and gold, okay? Alright Tommy, good? Yeah, okay. Sorry, why are you going? Focus! Over here! Don't play around. Okay, come here. Focus one more time, please. Like to play some joke, you know, somewhere. Don't play, okay? Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, ready?
你知邊隻麼？我都唔知。陣間佢知喎。
Alright, so Tommy, where is it?
Oh.
Tommy, come on, where is the dice? Show them please. Nampaknya marah ni. Oh Tommy, calm down please. Relax, berkenal ya. Tak apa, okay. Finally find the dice. Okay, how about we try one more time? Sekali lagi. Tommy, boleh sekali lagi? Boleh. Okay, tak apa. So, kali ni ya, kita akan pusingkan mangkuk lagi sikit. We're going to spin the ball a bit faster. Okay, Tommy, sekali lagi Tommy. Come on, focus. Alright.
Lingkang yang mau gila.
Nanti hari ni ramai orang. Dia rasa seronok. Terlebih excited. Oh, Abang Alif pun nampak agak nervous, tapi tak apa. Okay, let us guess together. Jom kita teka sama-sama dekat mana dah tu. Which one? Very fast, right? Wow. Alright, Tommy, are you okay? I forgot already, Tommy. I'm sorry. Too fast. So, Tommy, come on, what is it? Yeah! Well done, Tommy. Wow. Excellent. Sangat pandai. Terima kasih, Mr. Alif. Okay, for your information here, Matua, they have eyesight, 7 times sharper than human being, 7. Alright, penglihatan dia 3 kali ganda tajam dari manusia. Alright guys,